Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Chris Underwood, artist from Windsor, Ontario, and I am back with another video. In this week's video, I'm going to be trying to combine my two styles. If you've seen my sketchbook tour video, you would know my one style is more detail heavy. I use a pen and it is mainly one color. And then my other style is what I've been working on currently. It involves more color, it's a little flatter, it relies more on line work. I enjoy working with each style individually, but let's see if I'm able to actually combine it, execute it properly, and come out with something good. So I've gotten a few comments about how I shade with a pen, so I thought it'd be cool to show you guys just a quick demonstration on how I go about that. There's way better artists out there who do this way better than me, but this is how I go about it. Okay, so basically what I do is I scribble and crosshatch at the same time. So what I'll do is I'll take the pen, hold it on a little bit of an angle, and then kind of just go back and forth, one direction. You're just barely pushing, just letting the pen really do the work. And then, to smooth it out, I go the other way. And then it's basically scribbling, but it's using the crosshatch method, and I find it works pretty well. The smoother you want it, the more you just go in different angles, and it kind of hides the lines. So, just to show you guys, I got a rough circle here, and so what I would do is I would very lightly cover in the shadow area because I know this part will be dark. I'll also try to keep in mind the overall shape of the thing that I'm trying to draw. So since this is a rounded circle, I'll try to keep my cross-hatching in that direction. It kind of adds a little bit to it. It kind of helps sell the form and the wrapping around of the texture. So that's a very rough example, but just to show you guys, that is basically what I'm doing, just a lot slower and thinking a little bit more about where I want things to be darkened. So to recap, take a pen, hold it on an angle. You're going to very lightly go in one direction, and then to smooth it out, you're gonna go in another direction. Very lightly pull it back And then if you want to darken up a certain area, you just go back and you just slowly build it up. Maybe you found that helpful, I don't know, but let's get back to the drawing.
Nobody else can do this job because you got too much feeling. Stop it, Todd, stop it! Or maybe he didn't like your seal. Maybe you shot him in the back, that is. Just one. Maybe it's shot. By 7 o'clock tonight, we'll be out of the country and you'll never see us again.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I put out a new video every week. Now, on to the reveal.